Welcome everyone to Pen and Journal. This is Jet. Today we are going to do a replacement of an ink sac for this Delta Israel 50 Anniversary Limited Edition fountain pen. So I got this pen through overseas online, and it came with a damaged ink sac which I have already removed. So now this pen is ready to receive the new ink sac. There are many sources you can find online for repair kits. So for mine, I got it through a shop in Etsy. I will put the link below in the description below. You can check her shop out. I think her name is Barbara. So make sure that, especially when you buy vintage pens, make sure that the rest of the things like levers, mechanisms are all working well. And in this case, I'm fortunate enough that it's only the ink sac need to be replaced. So first thing, you need to measure the size or the diameter of the section where your ink sac will go over. So taking a simple ruler, I will measure the outer diameter of the section. In this case, is about 8 cm across. Now going to the reference sheet that is available on the Etsy site of this shop, I can see that 7.94 mm is the closest, and the ink sac size is number 20. So once I've gathered all the information, I'm able to purchase the correct repair kit with the correct ink sac size. So the kit itself comes with 2 ink sacs. It comes with a shellac, bottle of shellac, as well as a packet of dusting powder. So over here you can see that I'm trying to gauge the length of the ink sac while it is in its place. So putting a barrel like this, I'll be able to see how far the ink sac will go when it's properly attached. Right, it's a little bit too close to the end cap finial for my liking, so I will trim off a little bit from the end, taking a scissors, gently and carefully try to cut it straight across. Right, so now you can see that now the length is much better. So we're going to apply a generous amount of shellac onto the area where your rubber sac will go over. So carefully apply it on the surface area, the shellac, like so. Right, once you've covered all the entire area, you can fit in the rubber sac over the section area. Some people will want to use a pair of tweezers to help you to insert the ink sac, but for myself, well, I'm a bit lazy. I'll just use my hands. So for me, I'll use one of my fingers to anchor one side of the ink sac, and with the other hand, I will gently pull it over like so. Right, so once it's in, make sure that you push it all the way in to the section barrel like this. Right, and the next thing is to make sure that the entire length of the ink sac is perfectly aligned to the barrel. Right, so you need to maybe do a little bit of wiggling, a bit of rotating of the ink sac itself. Make sure that it's perfectly aligned so that it won't cause any problems as you put the entire section into the barrel. So how I do it is I will rotate the grip section like so to make sure that it's all perfectly aligned straight. So in goes the grip section area to the barrel. I don't feel any resistance. So far so good, and I'm going to pull it out again. We're going to let the shellac cure for at least 2 hours before we apply a coat of dusting powder on the ink sac itself to prolong its life. So once the shellac is cured, we are ready to put the dusting powder onto the ink sac itself. Try not to use baby Tecum's powder if possible. Right, try to use a powder that is more inert and more neutral. Right, your repair kit should come with this dusting powder. So mine came in such a manner. I'm just going to use my fingers, dip it in to the powder itself. And I'm going to just, once again, generously apply it all over the ink sac. Right, this is a time where you can be generous. Make sure you cover all the ink sac, right? The bottom part of that all the way to the very top. Right, this part is quite crucial because it will prolong the life of your ink sac. You will prevent it from drying out and cracking, and that is one of the issues with rubber ink sacs like this. So once you're done, let's do the final assembly. I will try to line up the lever with the top face of the nib. And there you have it. We have a pen that is ready to be inked up and write. So let's test it out. So over here, we have our Waterman's Serenity Blue. It's a very safe ink to test out. It matches the Israel colors of blue and white as well. So how you ink this up is very simple. You just need to pull on the lever and it will cause the ink sac to be depressed, or rather compressed. Dip the nib into the bottle fully and then very simply and gently pull back on the lever to draw the ink into the pen. And let's try to write with this pen. Over here I'm using the Muji A5 grid paper. This is a fountain pen friendly paper. It's not too expensive. Right off the bat, you can see that the restoration process is a success. Thank you, Lord. So I hope this video will help you out in terms of gaining confidence to repair your own pens, replacing ink sacs of your vintage pens. And it's not difficult, and I believe that you can actually enjoy the process of restoring your old pens. So I hope this blesses you. Please like the video, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Please share this video, put your comments down below, let me know what you think about this video. Thank you all, God bless and take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one.